Friday, so that means weekend review time. As always, I'm Mihna, community lead at Oasis, and I'm here to bring you the latest updates. And conference season has begun, and I couldn't be more excited to travel and meet the most interesting people in the Web3 industry. As you might have seen, last week we attended ETH Bucharest, the first conference I attended in my home country. And for the first edition of ETH Bucharest, it was really awesome. They had a really nice venue, the biggest screen in Europe, I think, or in Eastern Europe, something like that. Really cool place. Met a lot of crypto enthusiasts, builders, project owners. Yeah, interest in Web3 has spiked a lot over the last couple of years in Romania, and I couldn't be happier to see the interest in building and educating communities. So of course I'll be looking forward to the next one. And yeah, only a couple of more days till we travel to Amsterdam for ETHDam, and this is gonna be a big one. We're the main sponsors for ETHDam. A lot of members from our team will be there, and of course we intend to take Amsterdam by storm. We'll have an exhibitor booth, of course, and we'll be attending a lot of talks. So on the 12th at 2 p.m. CET, Harry Roberts, our technical product lead for OPL and Sapphire, will be speaking about next generation contracts. Then we'll have a privacy panel talk also on the 12th at 2:25 p.m. CET, where Harry will be joined by Matej, our BD manager, Captain McAteer from Freen Protocol, if I remember correctly, and Mihai Scarlat from Ocean Protocol. And at the same time, you can attend our hackathon workshop, which is hosted by Mateusz Iekovic, software engineer at Oasis, where he'll show you how to build a confidential EVM. And since we're speaking about the hackathon, we are launching a bounty. So you need to build natively on Sapphire and submit your project for a $10,000 prize pool. Extra points will be added for using the advanced features of confidential EVMs, such as private storage, random number generation, encryption, key generation, and signing. So yay. And the hackathon related today at 5:30 p.m. CET. Mateusz will be joined by Crypto Canal, and they will offer more details on the hackathon and how to build with Oasis. The event will, of course, as always, be streamed on our YouTube. So yeah, a lot of things to do in Amsterdam, and I really hope you'll be able to attend. But let's move to updates from this weekend. We don't have a lot of updates, but still, we need to mention everything. So Will Wendt, our ecosystem growth manager, was joined by people from Yoda Labs, Pixel Realm, Star Atlas, that's on Solana, and Polychain Monsters for talk about NFTs and privacy in Web3 gaming. A really interesting panel. So I suggest you listen to it if you haven't attended the live Twitter space, and you'll be able to find out more about the direction gaming in Web3 is taking, and why privacy is important for NFTs and gaming. And you can find the recording on our Twitter page and the community garden. And yeah, and on the garden topic, we uploaded two new lessons to the Oasis Academy. One is focused on the importance of data processing in AI models, and the other on API keys. And as I said, like, you can find them both on the community garden in the academy section. That's oasisrose.garden/courses. But yeah, that's kind of it for this week in review. So I'll see you live from Amsterdam next week. We'll be taking a lot of videos, photos, and I'll try to do a lot of interviews and live stream whenever possible. So have a great weekend, everyone, and see you next week.